This 9x trade looks unrealistic, but based on the setup that I'm about to show you, you can catch some big trades. On these three indicators setup, when you see the trend EMA is up and the momentum indicator is producing green bars, plus the entry signal is giving buy signal, then we are going to enter long here by putting the stop loss below the recent swing low. So basically this strategy consists of three stages. The first one is setting up your entry signal, second one is momentum strength, and third and last is picking the trend direction. This three-stage setup is mainly to capture the big trades. So once we have entered the trade, we do not fix the target and we take the profit when the entry signal changes its signal lines from green to red. Basically, there is no fixed target. Now to enter short, we can simply follow this sell signal and place our entry with the stop loss above the recent swing high. But there is a problem with this entry. You can easily spot it. So normally when you want to catch a long trade, you draw support or resistance zones, and once the price break above these zones, you enter the trade on a retest by putting the stop loss below the recent swing low and target the next major resistance or support area. But we can also do it with the help of indicators. Go to TradingView's indicator tab and search Simple 2 EMA Cloud by Olignator. This indicator is going to be our entry indicator. The strategy is pretty simple with this indicator. When you see the signal line change its color and the buy signal is formed, we enter long. To make it easier, you can modify this indicator by going to the settings and under the style tab, change the buy and sell icon. Then remove the opacity and change both buy and sell into white color. It is much easier. Now we will enter long here by putting the stop loss below the recent swing low. And we will only exit out of long trade when the signal lines turn red. Additionally, you can use the trailing stop loss to lock in the profits as you move your take profit. With this one indicator, we managed to get this long trade. Now to enter short, we can follow this short signal and enter the trade. As highlighted before, there is a problem, which is only following the indicator alone. So basically when the momentum is paused or the market turns sideways, it starts to give you many false signals. Even on a different pair, the problem remains the same. To remove these false signals, we need to modify some settings and add some supporting indicators. Click the gear icon of EMA Cloud and go to Inputs tab, change Slow EMA to 32 and Fast to 10. Moving on to stage 2. Now the setup looks workable, but we also need one momentum indicator. So go to Indicators tab and search MACD. We are not going to use MACD for crossover. In fact, we are going to use the momentum bars to help us in entering the right trade. Click the gear icon of MACD and go under the Style tab and uncheck both MACD and signal lines. Now you can see MACD bars are visible to read. Now the default setting works great for MACD crossover entries, but in our case we need to change it. So click the gear icon again and change the fast length to 95 and slow length to 100. After changing the settings, you can spot that the heights of the bars are showing the weakness and the strength of the momentum. So when the bars are shrinking and getting closer to the zero line, it is the sign of a possible reversal ahead. So here is the improved strategy. When you see the sell signal is formed and the momentum bars are red, we are going to enter short and we will exit when the primary indicator's signal lines change its color. Because we are targeting to catch big profitable trades, we don't have any fixed target. Now the next trade doesn't look profitable because the stop loss is going to be far away and it is not going to be profitable, therefore we will ignore this entry. Moving to the next trade, we will keep on catching the trades regardless of the fixed target as we are aiming to catch the big trades. This setup will get some small profitable trades along the line, so be patient. And after a few trades, you should be able to grab some big profitable trades. Finally, we managed to get this profitable trade. However, in this strategy, we face some poor trades which can be eliminated. So we are moving into the last stage to avoid bad trades. Head over to TradingView's indicator tab, search EMA and add to your chart. After adding that, click the gear icon and change its length to 45 and time frame to 1 hour. You can also change its color to white to make it more visible. Now the final chart is ready. So when the buy signal is formed, the price must be above the trend line EMA, plus the histogram bars should be in green color to enter long. And similarly, when sell signal is formed, the price must be below the trend line EMA and the histogram bars should be in red color to enter short trade. Now if you revise our trade entries, you will see some of the poor trades that could have been avoided by using simply an EMA. For example, these two buy trades are invalid and some other trades are invalid. Now after removing the invalid trades, this is the improved strategy and the win ratio is this.